everyone, I would like to present my first complete project that is called Under Pressure. Under Pressure is a test-based interactive game that contains two endings. This project was started in 2018 and was a final for my Intro to Game programming course. The entire project was completed only with the use of Python and Gimp. Let's go ahead and check out my project. My screen animation was created using Gimp. To achieve this, I hand place each individual star or nova over a span of 11 frames. The frames are then displayed as an animation using a for loop. I utilize Pygame to display all graphics, sounds, and characters. The character's position in sprite was determined using classes and its assigned attributes. I use separate text files to display the story and interactive multiple choice questions. This was done to provide room in case I needed to add or make changes to the storyline. Here are more examples of animations using frames. After some dialogue, you then encounter a mysterious stranger where you begin to be interrogated. To track user input, I use mouse positions and collide points. A score is kept based on each response. I also use conditions to track the player's score and determine which ending will be played. And that sums up this project. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Bye-bye.